us can make it out of here. Let it be Joey. Joey? Oh, yeah, the doctor. Everyone who was important to me made it. Happy ending. Feeling I am feeling. It is not a happiness. Yes, it is. Hello? Too slow? Good. You're like too slow. And so I bravely saved the annoying penguin. But at what cost? Without my battery, our booties are sad and still. Oh, that's a crying shame, Your Majesty.
Oh, yeah! Shame!
Look alive, lemurs! There's no way to find that. We could exceed our years, my favorite friend. What is a party without mad dancers? That's why you need this. For me? Knuckle. Knuckle. Consider it a tip of the beat. Thing like this. Now squeeze it over your throat. It must have been fresh on. My subjects. Yes. Okay. How can you boys still be sleeping? On your feet, team.